how to buy official Cuban token. So this token came under the symbol of Cuban. So as you can see, this post on under this X account called Mark Cuban. So he said, if meme coin are the way, maybe I will show you one with a twist. So same terms as a Trump, 20% float, same release schedule, one difference. So as you can see, you can check this post on the X account. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It just created 1 hour ago. It's very new and increased by 16,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 100%. That means your investment in the safe place. This token also trending number 6 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address sits under the Solana network. Now open it wait for that. I will use the Phantom wallet. I will just log into my wallet first. So as you can see, so here we click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. This is it. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or customer, because the most of issues, as you can see, came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Cuban token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.